Well, we're going to go through some things. I spent too much money on an online auction, local kind of an estate type of auction thing going on. We're just going to go through what I got here. There's nothing huge, crazy, but I did spend too much money, like I said. The first one is a antique motor base. The gentleman has it listed here, ideal. It's all embossed, adjustable base there. It's kind of cool. I don't have a use for it, but maybe I will in the future. That was $7.50. The jeweler's vice grips was this lot was listed as is these two. It's marked Pat. That's all I see. Now it looks like it is a swivel. There is dinged up there a bit. You got this vise, or this vise, but for a drill press. I couldn't see any marks on it. $20 for that one. These bench clamps were $7.50. This one is marked Japan. And this one, it's a pretty neat one, good sized little deal. I got this one here. I paid $22.50 for. It's kind of a neat little setup here too. It's Yankee. I believe that's made by Stanley. These ones are marked gunsmith vices. So this is like an engineer's parallel vice there. This one here, Colombian vice, and it's a neat one. Vintage wrench and pliers. See, I paid $17.50 for that vice. The vintage wrench and pliers lot was $5. Springfield. So it's a Bemis and Call wrench, if you can see right there. Got a neat little wrench. And the pliers, what they called pliers, right here. So hang on, we'll go to another part. All right, we're back with some more stuff. 3 vintage blacksmith hammers. Lot was $15. These are all half-inch punches. You just set a drill hole, you can punch your half-inch hole. I'll sell these to try and recoup. 2 half-inch swedge tool. Okay, that would be these. Got this one here. It's identified as a straight peen blacksmith hammer. These ones I paid $15 for. This one is identified as a blacksmith swedge. Swedge block, $12.50. Is this guy here. It's a big chunk of steel. Got a flat, 2 different sized curves and a tapered curve right there. If you can see, it's keyed right there. I believe that's for a Champion power hammer. Vintage large drill bits right here, $7.50. Number 4 Morse taper. I won't go through the sizes. Got 5 of those. Vintage blacksmith hammers, $10. That would be these ones here. Again, they're just half-inch, same as these. I'll sell those to recoup some of my money. And antique blacksmith tools, $12.50. I got 3 pair of tongs, or 4 pair of tongs, I guess. 3 of them were blacksmith, and that was holding around. This is just a pair of cold tongs for your fireplace, is what these ones are. So there it is. Put these away, grab some more. Now we just go through some boxes that I got. I got this World War I era ammo box. M1917, I believe, is what the designation is on it. You can almost see a 2 there, and I don't know what else. Paid $10 for that. Next one I paid up for, I really wanted it. Paid $32.50 for this one. But this one is really neat. I didn't even know it until I got home. There's a little compartment here. So it's kind of like the old lunchbox where you put your thermos, but I don't know what would go up inside of there. It was $32.50. I left a $5 bid. I went to bed, so I didn't even care. This toolbox has a tray. I don't think it was marked with no marks on it. For $10, wooden toolbox, $10. Got this neat thing here. Oh. Just a couple more things, will be real quick. See you in a minute. Alright, we're back. We're going to go with the lot, belt buckles and more. $22.50. That would include this pottery. Get rid of it. I don't know, I think this is Kodak, so it must be some film. Pedal this off. It's a bank. That Buddha. I don't think it's Buddha. Haikoi. I don't know. Here's the belt buckles. A horse. Colt 4440. Marlboro. But the reason why I got it is for these right here. They're brass. That was the reason for buying that lot. Telegraph equipment. This rheostat here, $10. It was just a fun little deal there. Grinder and punch stamps, $27.50. Didn't do the best on this one. It's a plastic housing grinder. Came with some wire brushes, just Harbor Freight. This is why I wanted the lot. Some good sized metal punches, but I've got punches that don't belong. I got doubles. Don't have all the letters. Kind of disappointing on that. Adjustable monkey wrench, $7.50. It's for these guys here. These are good in the blacksmith shop for twisting metal. So we'll pedal these off. That'll be some returns. And we gotta go outside. I can show you one more lot that I got. This is the last lot. I think this was $7.50. I got a square mouth shovel, got a branch cutter, and I got a snath. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Tell me what your favorite tool was, which one you want to see redone first. Thanks for watching.